Welcome! In front of me is an INFINIX Note 40, and today I will show you how you can record a screen on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. There we go. And in here we're going to locate this camera looking icon. Once you tap on it, it asks for permission to microphone because it can record audio through microphone. I'm going to confirm that. It also asks for access to audio, whatever, while using the app. And then it brings up this overlay right here with a couple options: close, settings, folder, which takes you to the folder where you have all the recordings, and then obviously the record button. So once you stop the screen recording, you can find it in your Photos application. So right over here. Oh, I guess I didn't grant a setting. Oh boy, let me quickly fix that. Permissions. Can you stop? I'm assuming media will be one of those that it needs. Photos and videos. And let's see if this is enough. And it looks to be. Okay, so once you open up your Photos application, you'll be able to see a folder, or at least a catalog, called Screen Recorder. Now, that's one way you can locate your screen recordings. You can also navigate to search. Are you kidding me? I am getting a bit frustrated right here. So let's try that again. Okay, I guess I can't do it because the application is fucking shit. Okay, but in any case, if you press on search, in there you also have a list of catalogs. So you will have things like photos, screen recordings, screenshots, and so on. And you can tap on one of those and it will then take you to the dedicated album, where it obviously contains whatever it says that it contains. So in case of screen recordings, in here you'll find only screen recordings. And as you can see, you can also do that by tapping right here on the text itself. And from there you can view your screen or recording. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.